Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crisp and Concise. Today I'll discuss the remaining 50 questions of GS section. So let's discuss. The Manusmriti mainly deals with, the right option is B. The Manusmriti deals with laws. Next, Buddha was born at. So Buddha born at option A Lumbini. 123. With those reason in the Gandhara School of Art associated. Option A Kanishka. 124. The Lodi dynasty was founded by. Right option is C. Behlol Lodi. Question 125. Mughal painting flourished during the region of. So right option is B. Jahangir. 126. Who was the first Portuguese viceroy in India? Option C. Francisco de Almeida. 127. Khalsa was founded by. Right option A. Guru Gobind Singh. 128. The spy mutiny took place in year. So right option is option D 1857. 129. Where was the first parliamentary form of government formed? Right option is A Britain. 130. Article 1 of the Indian Constitution declare India as option D Union of States. 131. The right of property is a option B a legal right. 132. Comptroller and Auditor General of India is appointed by option A President. 133. The fertile land between two rivers is called option C Doab. 134. Devaluation usually causes the internal prices to option C remain unchanged. 135. Who discovered the solar system? Option A Copernicus. 136. Latitude of place is indicated of its option D temperature. 137. Sahara Desert is situated in option C Africa. 138. The Great Barrier Reef is located along option A Australia. 139. The layer of atmosphere close to the Earth's surface is called option A troposphere. 140. Pyrometer is used to measure option C high temperature. 144. The largest producer of fish in the world is option B Japan. 142. The staple food of Asian is option C rice. 143. Coconut triangle is located in option C Bangladesh. 144. The dark continent is option A Africa. 145. In which state is the Jog Fall located? Option C Karnataka. 146. On which river Hirakund Dam is located? Option D Mahanadi. 147. The change of solid into vapor directly is called option D sublimation. 148. Pitch of sound depends on option A frequency. 149. Atomic power plant works on the principle of option A fission. 150. Yeast is option D fungi. 151. Insulin is option D none of these. 152. Main source of lead pollution is from option D leaded gasoline. Next question 153. This question from the reasoning section. Kelkar is taller than the Mangal, but not the Priyanshi. Mahesh is taller than the Santosh, but shorter than the Mongol. So, who is the tallest? Option A, Priyanshi is the tallest. 154. Pointing to a person in a photograph, Aruna said, "He is the only son of the father of the brother of my sister." Who is the how is the man related to the Aruna? Option D, none of these. 155. Who has won the Best Actor Award, the most prestigious 2017 Asia Pacific Screen Awards, APSA? Right option is C, Rajkumar Rao. 156. David Shady, the noted singer who passed away recently, hailed from which country? Option B, United States. 157. Which bank has launched a unified integrated app? You know, you need only one for financial services recently. Option C, SBI. 158. IKEA has recently launched its first experimental center, IKEA Hajj Home, in India. Which city? Option A, Hyderabad. 159. Maharaja Ranjit Singh had visited. Option B, Jwalamukhi. 160. The source of the river Chenab is in. Option C, Baralacha. 161. Renuka is associated with. Option D, Parshuram. 162. Shipki Pass is in the district of. Option A, Kinnor. 163. The book Kangada Paintings was written by. Option C, M.S. Randhawa. 164. Kilar is in which district of HP? Option D, Chamba. 155. Antonyms of the word ascetic. Option D, worldly. 166. The child as well as his parents. Option C is the right answer. Is missing. 167. The meaning of idiom the strike oil. To strike oil. The right answer is to have luckily to have lucky success. Thanks for watching.